Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in this video we are going to talk about how you can speed up a video on Canva in 2025, and it will be a quick and easy tutorial for you guys. So I'm going to make a video size from that place. So I will search in template option that YouTube shorts, and let's see, they will give us the color size already mentioned here. So I will click on create blank. Once I click over here, then I will upload a video to use this here. So I will go over here to the upload, and I already uploaded a video, so I am going to use that one, or you can upload your videos from your download file also. Just click this one and I will upload that video in here, and I will use in that place. So here, once I use that one, let's see, I'm going to remove the audio also. So here, once it's done, then come back to that place, and here you will get couple of options. As you can see, this is the speed panel we are talking about. Our main goal is to speed up the videos. If I click over here, then we can change the videos here. So there is an option like if I make it to you can do it the thing. So I'm going to keep that one, and I am going to make the audio muted. So let's try to do it. So I will click over here, and I will use this one as my free one. So let's play the video. Okay, that is the problem. So I'll click on this one and this one 0, and let's play the video. And you can see that our video speed become 2x. Now if I play the video, you can see that the video, and if I make it by default one, you can actually see the result that this is the original video speed. And if you want to change the video speed, you can easily change it by this process. This is the easiest process. I hope you love this video. If you think this video was helpful for you, then don't forget to subscribe our channel, and don't forget to hit the like button. Till then, have a good day. I'll catch you in the next video with an interesting topic again.